Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically keep your games up to date on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing to know is any game you have on your home screen here will be automatically updated and you don't have to manually do it. So if I press options on the game, there should be an option to check for update. You shouldn't have to do this. But if you have a game in your library right here, in the future there will be an update on your PlayStation 5 where you can press options on it and it will say check to update, and you can update a game that's in your library but not on your home screen. So any game in your home screen here should be good to go for automatic updates. So if you want to keep a game on your home screen, you can press options on it and then you can go to keep in home right here. So let's go over to Call of Duty and then keep in home right here. So this game should continually be updated because it's always going to be on my home screen. Now there's some settings we want to check as well. So let's go to settings right here and then scroll on down until we get to where it says save data and game app settings, and then scroll on down to automatic updates and turn on automatic download. Your PS5 will check for the latest updates and download update files when they're available. So checkmarked. Auto install in rest mode. This is checkmarked. If you're using a game or app that's being updated, it'll close to allow the update file to be installed. So this is checkmarked. Let's go back and then scroll up. There's another one that we want to check under system, and then go to power saving, features available in rest mode, and stay connected to the internet. So we can download update files now in rest mode. So this is checkmarked. Then we can go back and we want to go up to where it says system software right here. Go to the right, system software update and settings right here. And this will be for your PlayStation 5 system software, not specifically for your game. So you can go to download update files automatically, checkmark this, and install update files automatically right here. It looks like my PlayStation 5 is up to date. So you can easily check for game updates and keep them automatically updated on your PlayStation 5. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.